4 diamonds. And again, guys, we gotta go really slow today. Everything is next level slippery. That's like ooh, that's a nice little section right there. You all right?
Yeah.
All right.
That's a lot of work to get going again.
Now you know how them guys felt down
Man,
there.
I know how they felt.
Oh, this is a pretty good one. Like,
We're gonna go to the right, not to the left. The left is 33, the 5 diamond.
okay. I thought they would have watched or followed me up.
Down, huh? There's no more in the rocks, put my head down and just went bam right into the rocks with my helmet.
We'll see what's going on. Oh, there they come.
I got stuck trying to get off and help.
Oh,
But then he got it by the time I got part.
we're gonna go to the right, 32.
Maybe. Go around it.
Uh-oh. That doesn't spell.
One of those trails. Wow, it doesn't look like that here.
Dang, it must be though.
Yeah, Brian. Yeah, Brian's off the bike.
Yeah. Man down. Yeah! On film. See how slippery it is, guys? You can't even walk. That don't look that bad. some. Yeah. Oh. Finally. Dude, I'm telling you, so right now, guys, we're only on a 4, well, I don't want to say only 4 diamond, but a 4 diamond. So they said when it's wet, the map says that's 2 diamonds, and I'm telling you, it's all sorts of messed. So,
get up that crotch.
God, I don't know if the GoPro will just do this any justice.
You can go there, maybe.
I don't know if I can though.
You can try going out there, but that's really off camber in the beginning. That's tough.
Yeah, that'll
Yeah, you want to stay in the rut because if
Stay in here and try to go where Danny went.
I think I want to try going up there.
Yeah, or go up there.
Brian, come here. Well, because I got my GoPro going. Let's say take video like that for a minute until we got to unstuck them. Yeah, it's going. There you go. Keep on it.
Oh, baby, go.
There you got it.
I'm coming out right here.
I ain't doing that bullshit.
Oh yeah, I think that's where I came out.
Yeah,
too.
that's the
Maybe I'm not.
There it is. Stop it and then
What'd it do?
it wasn't even started.
Really? I thought it's red. It's
That's
good.
all right. No, it was. I might have clicked off. It's not that bad. If you can keep your balance to keep a little momentum, you'll walk right up.
Dog paddling, yeah. It's real. Yeah, I did pretty bad in there. I didn't do good, Dan.
Well, you know, I remember the bad spot to stop.
Yeah, I did. It was not a good spot to start from.
Yeah, Danny did a sweet ass somersault.
All right, everybody, just made it up. So we're gonna finish 32. I don't know how much farther we have, but oh man, good times are being had.